NASA just discovered a parallel universe next to ours that runs backwards in time.
Holy cow, this is so mind-blowing that my head actually hurts.
This is absolutely insane.
In Antarctica,
NASA just discovered what might be a parallel universe where time flows backwards. And they weren't even looking for this.
All three of these people are incredibly excited about something that NASA just discovered 8 years ago, because this research is from 2016. 8 years late to the party, guys. So these two, I don't know which one came first because they're just a carbon copy of each other, but they both got all of their information from this video, which is very viral at the moment, has like nearly 500,000 likes. And the information in this video was all gotten from this article from MSN. Now, brief interjection here. If you're seeing breaking news in physics and it's not being covered by places like physics.org or New Scientist or Scientific American or BBC, you can pretty much be guaranteed that it is not breaking news in physics. This MSN article is just getting all of its information from this New Scientist article from 2020, which for some reason back in 2020, New Scientist was talking about this research that happened in 2016. So like I said, we are 8 years late to the party here, guys. This is not new information. There is nothing new happening here. It's just a hell of a lot of misunderstanding, a hell of a lot of speculation, and a hell of a lot of hyping up stuff because you look at the views on these videos. Anyway, let's have a look. Oh, sorry, I just want to say Blitz already did a response video to the first one, to this one. Which will be a bit more scientific and more about the research than I'll do here, so you should check that out. But let's have a look at what these three videos are saying, where they're saying the exact same thing.
They just had their NASA balloon in Antarctica searching for cosmic particles when something impossible happened.
Literally impossible, that defies the laws of physics as we know them.
So nothing happened that defies the laws of physics as we know them. So this is all to do with NASA's ANITA project, which stands for Antarctic Impulsive Transient Antenna. Now it studies cosmic rays and it is a balloon, and they did note some anomalous or some strange behavior back in 2016.
So there are these high energy particles called tau neutrinos, and typically they come down from space. But what they discovered is that these things were actually coming up from Earth, like watching water flow uphill.
Which is like watching a rock roll uphill on its own, something that literally defies the laws of physics as we know them.
So basically, that is completely against all physics that we know of.
So it's not. It doesn't defy the laws of physics. It doesn't go against everything that we know about physics. That's not what happened at all. Now, the experiment is designed in such a way that it collects tau neutrinos that come from space. And yes, it collected or detected a few, very, very small few, that were coming from the other direction, which is unexpected within the experiment. Now, something unexpected doesn't mean something unphysical. It doesn't mean something that's against the laws of physics. It doesn't mean something impossible. It just means something that was not expected. And if we don't have a direct answer for it, it means that it's something where we're like lacking in knowledge or understanding, or there might be something new there to investigate.
But scientists apparently are like, but maybe they aren't moving upwards. Maybe instead they're moving backwards through time.
So the concept of them moving backwards in time is a fringe hypothesis that's just a fun thought experiment. It's not a real premise that anyone is trying to research.
His most straightforward explanation theory is that when the Big Bang happened, it created two universes where one is opposite of ours.
The parallel universe concept, or the mirror universe, because it's not really a parallel, it's mirror, so it's slightly different. But this was a speculation, like just a comment made by one scientist, that was just in response to the unusual findings. It wasn't something that was a serious claim or a serious investigation.
And in this mirror universe, everything is basically just reversed. And they believe there are beings in that universe that are identical to the ones in this universe, and they believe that we do everything backwards.
Okay, the concept of there being a mirror universe where there are beings that are doing everything in reverse is basically just the movie Tenet. And while it's a fun idea, there's absolutely nothing scientific about this. There is nothing in this work or even this idea of there potentially being a mirror universe that would say, oh, hey, there's beings there that are doing things in reverse. We are so far into the realm of science fiction right now and so far beyond the realm of actual science.
This is an absolutely insane discovery.
It is absolutely insane, but it's not a discovery. And again, like I said, this is research from 8 years ago.
I mean, that's true. We don't really know that much, so there could be another explanation that we just don't know yet.
And that's the general consensus of what everyone should be thinking and what everyone has been thinking for the past 8 years since this research first came out, is that it is likely something else that we just don't know yet. So, like I said before, when you see videos like this that are hyping something up, that are being like, oh my God, this just happened, this just happened, this just happened, take a breath before you take in the information that they're giving you. And like a very quick Google search will show you immediately that this is old news and that this is not something that has been discovered or confirmed or anything like that. So take it all with a pinch of salt, be critical about what you see online, ask a lot of questions, and stay nerdy though.